Your hips are probably tighter than you think. And it's messing with way more than just your mobility. Tight hips affect everything. Your posture, your workout, and even your lower back. This one stretch can change the way your hips feel. And you're probably not doing it right. Let me show you. Start in plank position. Pick a leg and push that knee forwards. Angling your foot towards your opposite hip. Once you're in this position, push your back leg back and drop your hips straight down. And hold that for 30 seconds. Where a lot of people go wrong is they'll accidentally sit backwards instead of keeping their hips parallel to the ground. This stretch helps your posture, opens up your hips, and even reduce back pain. Save this video and come back to it anytime your hips feel tight. Or send this to someone who needs it. Thanks for stretching with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.